All right, all right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Shall we make some money together this morning? So, welcome to the Futures Marathon Trading with the Forex Apostle. So, what we're going to be doing today is just trading from now till possibly around 10 o'clock, so that we're looking to 3 hours of trading together. We started 1 hour late because the market was not really going anywhere. So I'm going to be sharing my screen right now, and let's see what we got. Let's see what is right here. Share screen. To your screen. Okay, I hope I'm sharing the right screen. If you're watching, let me know what screen you can see. You're seeing the chart on 2 minutes, but let's see what is going on 15 minutes. First of all, you can see that NASDAQ has been ranging. By the way, if you are watching this, my name is Emmanuel Adigbola, and I'm so glad to have this session with you. First of all, please understand that everything we're going to be doing here today is just for educational purpose only. This is not a signal service, and this is not a financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Cannot tell you what to do with your money. Now, looking at this, there's going to be a news by 7:30, as you can see right there. So we are expecting this news, and with the way this is going, it looks to me, I'm not trying to predict, but with this setup, it looks like we're going to be going back up. It looks like NASDAQ is going to be going back up. Now, so I will be looking, my bias is up. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do. So I'm looking here. This is on 15 minutes. As you can see right here. So this right here, you can see this is on 15 minutes right now. This 15 minutes. So consider resistance right there. If it can break this side, then for the rest of today, possibly NASDAQ will be going up. Another thing it could do is take out the liquidity above this area, then come back down. As we can see, yesterday it was more or less a sell-off. So today I'm expecting that this should actually go back up. I don't know why my system is freezing. Okay, so let's see right here. Okay. So right now we have this right there. I'm targeting that area to buy because it can go up there, sweep the liquidity up here, then come back down. Then also, if we look, that also is the high of London session actually. So if you come to 5 minutes, 5 minutes also. So on 5 minutes now, we're setting up to buy. If I see that opportunity, I'm going to be buying even before the news. If this candle closes, I'm using a Kinetic candle. If that candle closes bullish, I'm going to be buying. Because right now it comes down, it goes back up, it comes down, and as you can see, it didn't make it to this down here. So it looks like we're going, like I said, this my RSI is above 50, and this also, as you can see right there, let's it's too quiet for me. Let's see if we can have some music. Okay, so as you can see right there, so if this closes, I'm grow by the let's see. Okay, we have, let me bring out my 200 EMA just for us to see where we are. This StreamYard is really, really slowing down my charts. Maybe next time we're going to use Zoom. Okay, so let's see where we are. Okay, so you can see this is the high of London session, and this is low. So now let's see, because of we're going to be doing a lot of trading. Okay, I'll be trading on 5 minutes. Once again, we can see we've taken out this low here, even though this is the previous day low. The previous day low is still down. So because of this news, ladies and gentlemen, we go be very careful. News, anytime news comes out, it changes direction of the market. Okay, it changes what you can even see. So like what we can see right here, like I said, this eye, I'm targeting it, but then news changes your technical, news changes your analysis. No, when you see a news like this, you cannot predict. Then this is 200 EMA right there. Okay, so just in case you're watching this for the first time, you pretty much what we have here is 20 SMA high and low, as you can see right there. So this is 20 SMA high and 20 SMA low. I see Prince right there. Let me see if I can add you. Okay. So if I go long, this would be my stop loss. But because of this 20 EMA, ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to be very, very careful. And of course, the news also is still at 7:30, which is another 23 minutes away. Let's see if we can catch some pips up there, some points out there. By the way, I'm trading futures. So I'm putting my stop loss in this place. Let me maximize this a little bit. I'm putting my stop loss here. So if this should turn against me, what I want to do is to double my contract size. So this would be sell stop there. This software is making my chart to be very, very slow, guys. I might be changing to possibly Zoom. But for now, let's see. Okay, so I put a buy there. I put my stop loss here. But just in case the news comes out and it comes against me, I'm going to double up this. And I will change this from 10 micro. I'm going to change it to even 60. Today is either win or go home. Okay. So I change this to 60 micro. Okay. Just in case this news comes out and it comes boom against me, I'm sweeping downward. So I'll be able to at least harvest back whatever I must have lost there. And if it goes up, then I'm targeting up here. But because of this 200 EMA right here, guys, it can touch that 200 EMA. Some people use a VWAP. I like to use 200 EMA since I'm using moving averages. So VWAP 200 EMA, when you look at them, they're almost the same thing, ladies and gentlemen. So, guys, if you are watching this, do me a favor. Just type where you are connected from, your name. What are you trading? Are you trading Forex or you are trading futures? Are you trading Forex or you are trading futures? So let's see. By the way, if you are watching, I'm trading NASDAQ, guys. Trading NASDAQ. So, and it's going to be a fun day. Let's see. We entered the trade early. There's news coming up in the next 20 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. And the reason why I put this buy is because the market goes, it comes down, it goes back up. If you look at this market structure, this is high, this is low as far as I'm concerned. It comes back here, okay, form like a double top right there. Then it comes down here. So it didn't make it down here. This is the low of London as far as I'm concerned for now. So it didn't make it down here. So that tells me that this should be going back up. But then, as I said, news changes things. News changes your analysis. And so the reason why I put this stop loss right there, in case the news comes out and it comes against me, I'm going to see what to do. Okay. So I put this stop loss right there. Okay. So if it sweep back and cut me, well, let's see. So, but that's exactly what I'm doing. I just put that. All right, guys, who is ready to make money today? Come on, guys, who is ready? Let's see. Who is ready? Who is ready? Let me see who is here. Where's the gate? Is that Mr. Cash Out? CPI news today. Yes, BJ. There is a CPI news in the next 13, is it? No, 18 minutes. So I entered this trade before the news. So I'm betting, I'm not predicting, guys. And like I said, this is not a financial advice. This is not a signal service. But based on my system, I see the green background. My RSI is below, I mean, it's above 50. And my candle is green. So we've like calmed down during London session. Now New York market is open. So I'm expecting that this should go up. But then there is a clause. This 200 EMA, it might touch it and just back down. So, okay, now we are at that 200 EMA. You see, we are at that 200 EMA. Okay, I'm going to close this. This is $100. It's not a crime if you close your position. Okay, so I closed that. The reason why I closed it, ladies and gentlemen, is because we are at this, as you can see, I'm using a Kineshi. But if you look at it at a regular candle, you will see that we just made it to this 200 EMA. So we are doing good. we just cut that $100. So let's wait for the news. We're going to wait for the news, and we see how far we go. BJ, why are you on YouTube? Come into the studio. Let's trade together, guys. Come to the studio. Let's trade together. Let's see what we're gonna do. Let's make some money together. Okay, I have some of my guys with me right here in the studio. I have Stillwater's Financial. That's a good, I like that name. Okay, guys, so you are here with me in the studio. Feel free to rub mind, ask questions, and let's have fun. So this is Ekineshi. As you can see, this is 200 EMA. If I change this to regular candle, you can see right here, this is why I closed that trade. We are this 200. It's okay. Somebody might say, oh, Apostle, why did you close it? Why don't you just leave it? Let it be moving. No, I close it because there's no crime. There's no law that says that do not close your trade early. I know we watch all these videos. We see all these motivational Forex motivational speakers. Oh, let your trade run. But guys, there is news, you see. There's news coming up in the next 15 minutes. So that trade made it to 200 EMA here. And if you know, 200 EMA is very, very pronounced, very important when it comes to Forex chart, when it comes to futures chart. So there is definitely going to be a reaction like you are saying right now. If you go to 1 minute now, this small move you see right there will look so big. So we have here, we come here. My bias has not changed. It's still a buy. But because of the news, anything can happen, guys. And like I always say, you can do three things with the news. You can trade with the news. You can decide to wait 5 minutes. In fact, if you are trading with prop firms, there are some prop firms that don't allow news. So you want to wait, let's say 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after, some 15 minutes before, some 15 minutes after, some 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. And when you look at it, in most cases, the move after the news is always bigger than even before, or with the move after the news is always most of the time bigger than the main news movement. Okay, so don't freak out. It's FOMO that make people to sometimes to trade news. But if you want to trade a news, you know what you are signing up for. You are saying that, okay, this thing can go against me. See what is happening right there. If you go to 1 minute now, this move is a very big move. You see why I closed that trade, guys? You see why I closed that trade? You see, I change it to regular candle so that you can see. But you see what I mean? So this is where I should have entered that trade, but I didn't enter here because I'm using this channel. So I entered that position as soon as this candle closes. Then we rode it up to this 200 EMA. Then I exit the trade, as you can see. So we exit the trade. So there is no law that says you cannot exit your trade early, guys. You book the profit and keep moving. So now what I am looking forward, I'm trading on 5 minutes, but I might step down to 1 minute because we are trading together and I might just want to like pick some trade. So I'm changing back to Ekineshi. I'm using StreamYard and it makes my computer to be very, very slow. Maybe next time we're going to be using Zoom, or I can even subscribe to Restream. I think Restream is better. I can see that the StreamYard is very, very slow. Yeah, I see some guys. I have some guys with me in the studio here. I see Chooks, I see Ngozi, I see Stillwaters Financials. I see Prince. But guys, just make sure that you mute your line. Okay. Just make sure you mute your line, but you can hear me very clearly. Then if you want to chat, if you have there's a chat window there, you can just private chat, you will see it right there. The chat here is the one here will be for guys watching on YouTube. BJ, what are you doing on YouTube? Come to the studio. Okay, so we're waiting for the news. The news is coming up in the next 10, 11 minutes. If you go to 15 minutes, you can see what is happening right now. So on 15 minutes, so this candle has taken out the low of this. Okay, so London low is taken out. Now it comes back inside. So I'm expecting personally that this market should go up. I'm talking about NASDAQ. Now, let's see what happened yesterday. This is the previous day low. Let me see. I think I can reduce the volume of my music a little bit. Okay, good. So, see right there, this is the previous day low. This is the previous day high. So the market can do anything. Right now, if you look at it, this on 15 minutes, this look like the market is ranging. Now it comes down. Can we call this one consolidation? Right here, over here. It can just continue downward. If it breaks this on 15 minutes, this market is going down here. Okay? If it comes here and it breaks here, it's going up here. So that is how you look at it. There's nothing too fishy. Somebody say, oh, Apostle, it's like you are not showing us the secret. No, there's no secret. The secret is just on the chart right there. Ability to be able to read the chart and say, okay, what is this market doing? You see why I closed that trade, guys? If you look at it very well now, you see that if you change from Ekineshi back to regular, you see what is going on. It has, you see? So if I didn't close that trade, this would have been in drawdown right now. I don't like this StreamYard. It's making my charts very, very, it's making my chart very slow. Okay, look at it right here. So we closed it when it touched the 200 EMA. You see, we close it when we touched 200 EMA. Now it's coming back. It might come back to retest this 200 SMA high, then continue up. That is what I am expecting. Now, the news coming out in the next 8 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. So let's see what we got. On daily chart, the trend is up. On 4 hours, the trend is up. 5 minutes, the trend is up. 2 minutes, the trend is up. 1 minute, the trend is up. So let's see. I'm trading on 5 minutes. You see, right there, guys. If we didn't close that trade, right now, you would have been reading Psalms 23. So there is no law, like I said, that prevented you from closing your trade early. Don't fall for all those, oh yeah, let the trade run. No. So waiting 7 minutes to the news. 7 minutes to the news. So how are we guys doing? We're doing good. If you don't have noise at your background and you feel okay with what you're doing, you can unmute and say hello to our viewers and tell me what you think. Who is Stillwater's Financial? Is that Francis? So I'm going to put a pending. Guys, look at this. I'm going to put a pending bar here. If it crosses above this 200, it's going up. As like I said, it's going up here. But we might also wait. Let it take out the high of London. Then reverses. If it closes back inside, then it's coming back down. Okay. So I change it back because sometimes Regular candle makes too much noise. So I like a kinetic candle because it makes me to see the trend. So right now we are here 6 minutes. Let's see what we got. All right. Stillwater's Financial. Who is that? Waste the Gate Trader. How are you? SRK Trading Live. You doing good? Okay. So now it comes back. You see, it tests that, and now it's going back up. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know that we are not trying to jump the gun, but you can see everything now line up for a buy. Everything line up for a buy. Everything line up for a buy. But because there is a news, guys, we want to calm down. Let's see what we got. Okay, let's see what we got. Anything changes with news release. Anything and everything changes. So you have to calm down. Don't be too overexcited. News can come out and it will change everything, guys. But I'm expecting us to go back up today. What do you guys think? If you're watching, what do you think? What do you think, guys? What if you are trading NASDAQ with me, what do you think? I know, let me see what gold is doing. So gold is going down, NASDAQ is going back up. Yeah. So what do you guys think? You come in, if you are in the studio with me, there's a private chat that you can chat. And if you are watching on YouTube, if you're watching on YouTube, there is a chat. You can just, let us know what to think. Yes, it's going back up. You see, right there, it's target. Oh, we missed that move. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Wow, we missed that move. So okay, so now you see it take out the high of this. Let's see if it's going to close back inside. If it close back inside, then this is setting up for a sell. 3 minutes to the news, guys. 3 minutes to the news. 3 minutes to the news. I think I see Mr. Bode. Okay. 3 minutes to the news. Okay, so it takes out the high here. It takes out this high. So let's see. Now, this looks like it's coming back down, guys. It takes out the high of London here. Okay, this is ICT. Okay, Q zone. So it takes out this high. So the liquidity here is taken out. So let's see. I won't be surprised if this sells. 2 minutes to the news. Ladies and gentlemen, who is ready? Are you trading the news? BJ, are you trading the news? Oh, okay. Let's see. All right. So 1 minute, 25 seconds to the news. You see, this is the news right here. So let's see what we got. We have 3 hours to trade. So there's no need to rush at all. There's no need to jump. If you jump, you can just go home prematurely, So you wait. Now, it has taken out this high. There is 200 here, EMA. Then we have our channel here. Usually for us to go straight up, I need this channel above even the 200. Okay, the background is still green. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. I want my chart. Let's reduce some of the noise. So right now, we are approaching overbought on RSI. So let's see. Just in case you are watching, I'm a technical trader, and what we have on the system is combination of indicators that we have, I believe we have done 2 training sessions on it, and we're just trading it live together. So less than 1 minute to the news, ladies and gentlemen, we've taken out the high. What do you think? We've taken out the high of this. This liquidity here is swept. Oop, oop, up, up, up. Woo! Look at that. Wow. Who bought? Look at that. Okay. And I said it. Look at that. Look at that. Let me close. I have some trade open on my Forex. I can close profitable positions. I also have this trade open here. Let me see what it got. This account here. Come on, load. Where is it? This account is also is a Forex Pro Firms with a blue guardian. So I put that, you see, that buy. So I'm going to close it because I don't trust that push up. It can still retrace. So I close that. Let's come back here. But then I entered that trade. I entered that trade down there. So now back to break even. I think we did good right there with Forex. Okay. So come back to features. Was anybody trade that? Was anybody put that buy? Look at that, man. So now we're going towards the previous day high. Wow. Let me see what's going on with US 30. Wow, that was awesome. That was awesome. Did anybody put that buy? Did anybody buy? Even gold too is going up. Okay, so that must have been a good news. So now the news is over. The news is over. Now let's see what we have. The market might continue going back up, might continue going up, or it can get to this previous day high, like we said, and close back. If it close back inside, it's coming back to retest here. Okay, guys. Wow, 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 wow. Did any of you catch that up move? Guys, talk to me. If you are watching, you can chat. If you are in the studio, you can private chat, or you can even enable your sound. It's okay.
Yeah, I caught it on gold.
On gold. So you bought gold.
Yeah.
Wow,
I was actually on
congratulations.
selling. I was actually on selling gold. But when I saw the way it's moving, I know it will push off, then come back to sell again, then before finally moving up. I think that's my analysis. But I
Okay,
caught.
so you close your sell.
Yes, I closed some sales. But
Oh,
I have just 1 or 2 sales more, which I'm
oh,
very, very
okay.
sure that it's going to be close. You
Oh,
know.
okay.
Yeah.
Well, with this news,
But
we
I caught the news. That's a good shot of it. I caught the
oh,
news
okay. So
very
it's
well.
okay, that's good.
Very well.
That's good. That's good. Yeah. So now I'm looking for this to get to this previous day high now. I'm looking for it to get over here. If it gets over here and close back inside, then I will see if I can trade it down. So, I mean, like what we have right here is, it was, remember what I said, it was very, very glaring right here. Okay. We couldn't make it down here. You see, this is the low. Then this one here is higher than this. I mean, it was actually, it gave us an expo, but maybe because I'm trading live, sometimes it's very tough, very, very tough while you are trading and you are also training, it is very, could be very, very tough because you are responsible for most people watching you, even though this is not a financial advice, but this has already given it out here. You see, we have our buy signal, then you see how it goes way up there. So this is the previous week high. Let's see. I believe when the market opens that will be 9:30. That will still have another 1 hour right there. Wow. So this can just go back down. Don't be surprised because this move is too wow. This is wow. Adebowale say, how can I get this indicator? Yeah, you can just chat with me. The indicator is available for all my trainings, all the Forex disciples and the members of Fearless Traders. So just you can chat with me. You can get it. Okay. I actually gave it out last week when we did the training. Okay, so it makes it to this previous week high. Okay, so it's going to previous day high. Can you see that? Can you see that? On my Forex account, I have all those pending buy. Now I just close them. That was massive. Wow, that was massive move. That would have just been, we would have just closed shop for today if we caught that actually. But it's not too late. It's not too late at all. We have many trades to stay open. At least what we're looking for is 2 to 3 quality trades. Gold is retracing. If you're trading gold is retracing. Also here, we are overbought here. So I don't expect this up to continue. So what I will be expecting is let it close. I really need this to touch this previous day high. Remember our analysis. Let it close. Let it clear the liquidity here. Then close back inside. That is what I'm expecting. Then we can just ride the sell back down. That is exactly what I'm expecting today. Let's see. Prince, are you trading? Stillwater's Financial. Who is Stillwater's Financials? I like that name. Stillwater's Financial. Mr. Cash Out, did you trade that news? Let me see. Oh, wow. It's still pushing up. It's still pushing up, guys. It's still pushing up. Remember, I said this daily is you see, it's bullish. 4 hours is bullish. 1 hour is fully bullish. 15 minutes bullish. 5 minutes bullish. So, but then I might trade the pullback before it cannot continue. Market does not go on a straight line. Now we take out that. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Clean. Very, very clean. Now I need a bearish candle, guys. Let's see. Another thing you can do, you can just go to 2 minutes and look for a good setup to trade the pullback. I'm going to try my luck. Okay. I enter a sell. I am expecting this pullback. The market cannot continue going up. Okay. So 55. Come on, give me more. 20. Give me more. It's going back up. Remember, we are doing ultra scalping. I'm trading Apex. So you are permitted to do micro. It's going back up. Okay. So just a little lesson there. Next time, you could just put your sell limit order at that previous day high, because most of the time, 8 out of 10 times, there will always be a reaction. Okay, good. $120. Come on, close. This thing is messing me up, man. Chat. So I just closed at $130. You see what I said? Yeah. So we are up $200 for the day. The goal is 1,000. It's okay. So right there, you see, you can put your sell limit order as soon as it gets to that previous day high. It will trigger it. This reaction here, in fact, it could be what you need for the day, because like right here, if you put 1 minute contract size, that's right there. That would be like a $500 that you have made. Because we're trading micro, I'm trading 10 micro, which is equivalent to 1 minute contract size. I'm trading futures, but if you are trading Forex, it's still the same concept. I have a Forex chart by my left, the same movement. The same movement. Anybody trading Forex? The same movement, you see? Right there is back up. Right there is back. I'm expecting this to close back down. We cannot continue going up. The market does not go on a straight line. So if you draw your Fibo from here up here, it cannot continue. It has to retrace. So I'm waiting for that retracement. If you want to do that, you can go back down to 1 minute, 2 minutes, look for that A plus setup for a sell right there and just write it down. But I want to stay on 5 minutes. This StreamYard makes my chart very, very heavy. All right, let me see. I think I have some messages right. All right, who is making money? Who is making money? Okay, so let's wait and see if we're going to trade back down again. Now the market comes down. This is 741. So we have another, how many minutes before the market opens, New York market opens? So you can feel free to ask questions if you are here with me. Feel free to ask questions. It's a free lesson. So if you're on YouTube, you are watching on YouTube, you can type your questions. I promise, if it's what I know, I don't know it all, I will respond. Okay. All right. Yeah, somebody messaged me on WhatsApp and said, why did I take that sell? I took the sell because I knew that there would be a reaction. So remember what I said about liquidity. So right now, what we are having right here now, you see, it has swept the liquidity up here. I'm expecting this to actually come down. So if I'm putting a sell, okay, I will not wait till it gets to my channel because the channel is far. Remember, we have 200 EMA right here. The market is way up there. So I need now a bearish candle. Okay, I need a bearish candle for me to sell. You can go to 1 minute or so and look for that setup over there. Okay, look for that setup over there and sell. But I'm looking to trade this. I'm looking to trade a retracement. This cannot continue going up. But then you want to enter at a very good position, right? You don't want to jump. You don't want to jump. Okay. All right. So we still trading. The day is still young. Adebowale, are you trading Forex or you are trading futures? SRK Trading Live. Hello to you too. Waste Digit Trader. I believe that's Mr. Cash Out. How are you? Are you there? Are you trading? Did you trade the news? Did you harvest some pips? Let's make money together, guys. Okay, so if this candle closes red, I'm putting a sell. My stop loss will be up there. Let's see. The reason why I will be selling is because we've taken out this high. I'm also expecting a retracement, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to be putting a sell. Why? Because I expect that retracement. This is also overbought right there. Okay, so I have that sell. Okay, I'm not going to be waiting that when it gets to $1,000. No, remember, this is hyper scalping, guys. Hyper scalping, the market can still flip and keep going back up. It can flip and still go back up. It can flip and go back up. So let's see. But then it goes up, it comes back down. Even if it continues up, I'm not going to close this because when the market opens, New York market opens, I expect this to, this is a previous week high. It has broken it. This is previous day high. It has broken it. So we expect to have a retracement, guys. Okay. All right. That's a good one. Come on. Give me more. Give me more. Give me more. Come on. More. No, 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 now. More, 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 more. More. Okay. This looks like it's going back up. It looks like it's going back up, guys. Come on. Push more, 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 more. You cannot go up. Okay. What do you guys think? This looks like it's going back up, right? But then, let's see. I'm going to close it now. Come on, give me. No, now. Come on. Okay, 40. I need 100. Just $100. All I need is $100 a day. That is 1,000. 50, 95, 115. Come on. Boom. That's it. So now I close that. The reason why I close that trade, guys, is because this is a retracement. It can go back up anytime. Okay? It can go back up anytime because the trend is up, guys. So now we are up. We are up 292. Okay. All I need is just 1,000. 1,000. My goal is once I lose 1,000, I close shop for the day. And when I make 1,000, I close shop for the day. But because we are trading together, yeah, let's see how far we can go today. But my daily goal is 1,000. So 1,000, if I lost 1,000, I close my shop for the day. And if I make 1,000, I close my shop for the day. So you see why I close that? So you need to understand the markets very well, okay? This bearish candle we see right there is as a result of the bulls closing their position. So if it comes back down here, I'm still going to join, I'm still going to sell, but I don't just want to be in a drawdown. So that's why I close that. If it's coming back down, I'm still going to, like, if you put like right here, sell, stop right there. So now it goes back up. If it comes back down, my sell will trigger. So let's see. The reason why I'm putting that sell is because 20 EMA is down here. Also, our channel is down here. Okay, what do you think? So the market cannot continue going up, 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 up. No, it doesn't happen like that, guys. We're trading on 5 minutes, even though the trend is up, but there will be a retracement. This is the news candle. As you can see, this is the news candle. So we need that retracement. Okay, guys, talk to me. Talk to me. What do you think? Who is making money? Are you guys just watching or you are trading? Are you guys watching or you are trading? Are you guys watching or you are trading? Are you guys watching or you are trading? Okay, let's see. So now we are back to previous day high. Do you see why? You see why you need to know when to exit your trade? Okay, you need to know when to exit your trade. You need to know when to exit your trade. You need to know when to exit your trade. Gold is going back up. Mr. Bode, I hope you have you have closed your sell on gold. Gold looks like it's going up. So now we see NASDAQ up, gold up, US 30 up, S&P 500 up. Okay, that is the market I used to know. That's the market I used to know. Now it got to a time that you see gold going down, Forex, NASDAQ going up, what's it called? S&P 500 ranging. The market should move the same way. That is, I remember I used to open 4 charts: Euro USD, gold, US 30, all of them. But these days, you see one is ranging, one is going up, one is going down. It doesn't make sense. Okay, it doesn't make sense. All right, guys, who is trading? Who is trading? Let's see. What happened to our music? Let's start. All right. Okay, so I'm expecting it to still retrace. You see, if this grain doesn't make it up there, we are expecting a retracement. That's why I put this sell stop here. Okay, but then if it continue up, then we'll be waiting for the New York market to open. That is the opening bell by that will be in the next. Wow, we still have 39 minutes. So we're trading. Remember, it's marathon trading. We've had 2 positions, 2 grain. Okay, we've had 2 grain. So let's see how far we go today. This is where we are right now. Just in case you're curious, we shouldn't close today. This is where we are, as you can see. So that was 29. So we are at 292. Let's just say $300. So we see how far we go. And who knows? We can even pass the evaluation today. Let's see. All right. So, Prince, talk to me. So, what are you trading, Mr. Prince? Are you trading Forex or you are trading futures?
I'm trading Forex and I'm trading gold, but I I made a wrong trade.
Oh, so you sold gold?
No, I'm on buy,
Okay.
but I went buy late.
Oh no, now
So
if
it's
you
going
didn't join, if you didn't join early, then you wait for retracement. Like right now, gold is retracing.
it's retracing now. Yes.
So gold is retracing right now. So if you didn't catch, you can see me, I'm waiting. It's just like buying NASDAQ right here now. It doesn't make sense. The goal is to sell NASDAQ to trade the pullback or wait for the pullback, then buy again. Okay.
Yes.
So that would be the goal. Okay.
Yeah.
So right now, gold is retracing.
It's
Gold
retracing.
is retracing.
I don't know how far down it will go.
Yeah. Excuse me. All right. So I hope the loss was not much.
No, not much.
Okay. Yeah. So you need to. Which system are you using? Are you using the same system?
Yes, easy scarf.
Yeah. So if that gold, you see, this is. Let me see where we are. This thing is fluctuating, so that's why I'm trying to keep my charts very to one. You see, gold. You enter gold, I guess over here. That
Yes.
will be up, and you see, this pullback alone can just throw you off balance. So you have to wait, and right now you can see it's forming like more or less like a M shape right there. I won't be
Yeah.
surprised if gold goes back down. Like NASDAQ, I don't expect NASDAQ to even continue going up also, because where we are right here. So that's why I have a self stop that I put. Usually I trade I trade a Kinetic candle, but because we are trading the news, if you put this on a Kinetic now, let's see what we have. You see, everything is still showing green. You see, so that's the advantage of a Kinetic candle. So on a Kinetic candle, you can now wait till when you see an indecision candle. For instance, if I see indecision candle red, okay, and
Yes.
the next candle gives me red, I'm selling. But the
Okay.
reason why I changed that to regular was because number one is the news, and I wanted to catch it, as soon as it's forming. As soon as it's forming. Who is Stillwater's financials? I've been seeing you coming in and out. So if you want to do that, you can actually go on 1 minute. Since we're on 5 minutes to go up. So you see, on 1 minute now is showing something. Can you see? This is where I'm expecting. I actually want to ride this sell. I know it's going to retrace. It's going to retrace, but you don't want to also be caught unaware that it will pick your order and boom, go back up. You understand?
Yes.
So, okay, so it triggers my sell. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 165, 150. You see? So you have to you have to know how to time it. Now, the reason why I closed that also again is it can still pull back. Then remember, we are trading against the trend. We are trading against the trend. So right now we are at 437. We might even be closing our positions or our session early today. Look at it. 437 now. So remember what I said? All I needed is $100, $100. If you are scalping. If I'm not scalping, I'm trading on 5 minutes. Then I put my trade. I just need 1 to 2. So, okay, I enter that position there. I'm going to put my stop loss because anything can happen. It can just flip. It can just flip. So I'm going to put my buy stop. That's the stop loss right there. Okay. All right. Another $100. Boom. You see? So when you see that, you see, when you are able to catch that, you don't have to stay in the market so long. If you want to do that, make sure that you size down. You see, we are 500. Okay. Now I need to be more careful because sometimes when you are too excited, you can blow accounts also. Remember what we said, we are expecting this to retrace, but the trend is still up. Okay. The trend is up. This is previous day high. I mean, previous week high. Anything can happen. Previous day high. We've taken out the liquidity. We're expecting to actually go back down, which is okay. But this is, we still have 30 minutes before the opening bell. Anything can happen. Okay. So let's see, where is a view up? Because sometimes also when you are trading indices, I like using 200 EMA, like I said. But then you see, this is what I said. This is 200 EMA. This is VWAP. Do you see? So they are almost the same thing, just names. Somebody just give something names. So 200 EMA is the black. Yes. Then VWAP is this. Is that gold color, whatever? So you can see. So that's why I use 200. But the same thing. Look at them. 200 EMA, VWAP. So two of them, they are the same thing. You see, so it's not really like, oh, so what are you using? Like you see, oh no, they are the same. So now I'm expecting this. Let's see if we can catch another. Let's see. I put another sell because on 5 minutes, I'm expecting us to stay retrace down, but you have to be very careful. Remember what I said. Now we see this indecision candle. Now this is forming. So if it goes back up, you have to be careful. It can go back up. Can go back up, but the reason why I'm not going to close it, guys, I'm not going to close it is because we have this right here. So let's see. Now let me, VWAP is down, EMA is down. Okay, so I'm going to wait. Oh, $70. That's it. So I'm going to wait now for the market to open. Yeah. So let's see where we are. Okay, we are 600. The goal is 1,000, remember? We're 600, so we need just 400. If I can put a trade and let it run down here, I will hit my daily goal. But then where we are right now is very, very dangerous. It can still just pull back up. Okay, so who is making money? Stillwater's Financials. All right. Let's see, what is US 30 doing? US 32 is doing the same thing like NASDAQ. Gold is getting ready to go back up. Gold has retested. Gold is here and is trying to, pull back up. I hope that person that, Mr. Bode, that has the gold on sale has closed that position. Okay, so I'm expecting NASDAQ to retrace. Come on, give me more. Give me more. Don't go back. Don't go back. The reason why I'm putting this trade, ladies and gentlemen, is because here there's no wick up there. But anything can happen. Come on now, don't go back. Anything can happen. You don't want, let's see, buy stop here. So even if it's going to go back up there, it's going to cut me there. Okay. I'm going to close this now with small 110. Awesome, awesome. Another. All right. Another $100 cut right there. So let's see. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. So now we are, remember the goal is to make 1K. So now we are at 800, 780, 800, 780. Okay, so let's keep moving. This is how we do it. Mm, mm. This is how. So are you guys getting? Are you guys getting the gist?
Yes,
If
yeah,
if
definitely.
this is your if this is your personal account, okay, you can put a trade and just relax. But because this is prop firms and this is indices, I'm talking about Apex account with the trailing stop loss. I don't want to give back any of my profit. So that's why I'm doing ultra scalping. And then the reason why also I'm not keeping those sell positions too long is because we are in uptrend, guys. We are in uptrend. You don't, we can't trust this retracement. It can just pull back anytime and continue going back up. And don't be surprised. This can just come down like this because we have taken out the London, you see, we've taken out the London high. We've taken out the previous day high. So we expect this actually to keep going down, except there's any manipulation going on. So now this is giving me a sell. I have a sell here, which I'm tempted to jump in, but because the market is not open yet, anything can happen. So I'm trying to wait. I rather have a very good setup down. It's going to be FOMO, like, okay, yeah, fear of missing out is okay. Even if we close for today, right now, we are good. But if I see it that, okay, this is really, really going down, I might put, remember what I said, that on Ekineshi candle, once you see this indecision candle, and you now see a candle with no wick up, it shows you that the trend is now reversing, which this can just come down. And it can just go like this, retest this, and close. We are going back again to where it came from. It's just a matter of understanding the market structure. Understanding the market structure. Oh, Sheriff. Okay, I see you, Sheriff. You came late. It's okay. You can watch the replay. Tomorrow I think I have an appointment, so I might not be live streaming tomorrow. That's why I'm doing this today to, you know, show you guys the training that we did and to show you how we trade. I mean, I'll be announcing this. I've posted it that this is what we're going to do. So, but then let's see. Now, the reason why we are stuck in this place, this is the New York yesterday, New York morning. So it's still fighting it. If you want, now this is, somebody will be saying, no, Apostle, why are you not in this cell? No, it's okay. I'm not going to be in that cell. But also remember what we said right here. If you have put your trade here, you see, when we take out this eye, you put your trade, and let's see if I can. Should I? No, let me wait. I'm tempted to. So once we take out this high, remember the concept, okay, guys? You take out this high of London, actually this previous day high, not London, previous day high, then it closed back inside. So you could put a trade here, your sell, then your stop loss goes above there. You can do 1 to 2, you will discover that it will get there. Okay. So that is if you are putting just only one trade, and that could be just only one trade you need for that day. Okay. That could be just only one trade you need for that day. You don't need a million trades to make money in a day. It could just be just only one position, just only one trade. So, and this, it actually gave us that trade right here. You see, the market could rally up, It took out the high liquidity of previous day high. That is what we talk about. We discussed it on Saturday. I uploaded the recording. If you have not seen the video, it's right also there on my YouTube channel. So it took out the high of this. It took out the high of London. Then it closed back inside. Guys, it closed back inside. So as you can see. So if you put your trade here, this would have been, you put a short position here, then you target 1 to 2 or even 1.5. So this would have been your day, your trade for today. This would have been your trade for today. Or even if you do 1 to 1, 1 to 1, you would have at least gotten, 1 to 1. 1 to 1 risk to reward ratio, you would have gotten there. By the way, it's still going down more. So you don't need too many trades to make money in Forex or in futures. Just make sure you enter your A+ setup. I'm not going to be putting a sell again here. If I didn't sell from up here, it's too late for me to be selling here. Because if you look at FIBO, if you put your FIBO extension from here up here, you will see now that we are, let's see, from here up here, we are at 38.2. Okay, so you can get to this 50% or 61.8%, then it goes back up. This is the golden zone right here. Can get to this 2 and go back up. So you cannot be selling at that particular place again. Okay. So let's see. We stay. Okay, guys. Somebody place a trade. Who is that? Who is making money? All right, who is making money? Come on, guys. Don't go silent on me. If you have any question, feel free to ask also. We still have 18 minutes before the opening bell. We are trading till 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock thereabout. So that's why I call it marathon trading. No, usually it's not easy. Trading and training and talking. A lot of, it's not easy. So gold is still going down. Gold is going down. Mr. Bode, I hope you are watching your sell. If it gets to where you enter, just close it because it can still go back up. Okay, so let's see. Okay, guys, ready for the opening bell? You see, we go up, we're coming back down. The goal is for us to have that good setup to go back up to where it stopped. Okay. And the market might open and it just continue going down, 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 down. So let's see. Okay, Sheriff, you are in a sell of gold, short trade. Okay, good, good. Hope it's making you money. Yes, gold is selling. It's a good one. Adebowale SRK Trading. Mr. Cash Out, I see you there. Are you still trading or you've gone back to bed? You've cashed out and you went back to bed. Guys, trading could be fun if you know what you are doing. You don't if you are trading and your blood pressure is elevated, then it means it's either you don't know what you are doing, or you are over leveraging or over position sizing. So if you are putting your trade, and especially if it's your personal account, you don't have to, oh wow, 700 pounds profit, wow, that's good, Sheriff, that's good. You see, yeah, if I were you, that's a big money to book for as a profit. Or you move your trailing stop, okay? Move your, just trade, trade your stop loss, because can still go back down. If you are not in a sell for gold, don't try and jump on it right now again, okay? It's too late. But if you are in a sell, if I were you, I will actually close that position, then look for another good setup after market opens, because it can pull back and take back all your profits. Okay, just a little piece of advice. What do I know? I don't know anything. just trying. Okay, Still Waters Financials. I'm still curious to know who this person is. All right, guys, who is making money? By the way, if you are watching this, do me a favor. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, just hit subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't cost you anything. If you notice very well, I've not really been that active online because I've been taking care of a lot of things offline. But sometimes when I do a training with my students, with the Forex disciples, sometimes we just come live like this and do practical. So it doesn't look like theory. Oh, it's not just only back testing. This is not back testing. This is live now that we are doing. This is live trading. This live trading. Sharif, do you see what I said about gold? Sharif, have you closed your position? Because it might take back that profit. It's gold looks like it's setting up to go back up. I might be mistaken, but that is what I'm seeing. Okay, good. Because it might, like if you look at gold, this is gold, just for in case you are curious, this is gold. See, it has gone up, it comes back, it might go back up, or it might just, because this is the news, so it might be going back up actually. So like right now, it's not a good time to even enter any trade. Just wait now for market to be open. New York opening bell. Let's see here. Okay. Let's see. So NASDAQ, I'm looking to buy NAS again, but we have to wait for a good setup. This is we're on 5 minutes. So I'm going to go to 2 minutes. Market is about to open in the next 12 minutes. All right. Live with no fear. Live with no fear. Yes, fearless. You got to be fearless. In this Trump market, you got to be fearless, because if you are too scared, you will not be able to put a trade when you're supposed to. And if you are too fearful, you will exit your trade early. So you got to detach emotion, okay? Detach emotion and just trade. No feelings, okay? No feelings at all. Just, you can join the community of fearless traders today, okay? The Telegram link is right there. The Telegram link is right there. So just click on it, join us. We will be doing some good stuff, okay? We'll be doing some good stuff. So go ahead and join that. Join the community of fearless traders on Telegram. On Telegram. I'm going to be giving some free indicators, free books to you guys today. So you can see the link. The link is at the description. So click on that. All right, let me just quickly recap in case you are joining us newly and you are wondering what are we doing. So we traded NASDAQ, ladies and gentlemen. We traded the news. So we put the trade on 5 minutes. We have our 200 EMA here. Then we have this buy. And of course, we come up. We came back to retest. Then this was the news. So I entered the buy, but I exit as soon as we took out the high of London. So then, of course, the market shoot up, boom, and took out the high, the previous day high right there. So now with that, what we did on Saturday, talking about liquidity sweep, liquidity is, as you can see, that is where the stop losses of these sellers are. So this went back there, took out all those, swept all those stop losses. Now it's coming back down. I will not be surprised since that has happened if NASDAQ sold off to come to this previous day low. It is either it comes to this previous day low, okay, when the open bell, I mean after the after 9:30 open bell, or it can just, this can just be a pullback. This can just be a pullback, okay, and give us another buy setup. So that is the two options we are looking at. Remember what I said, that sometimes 8 out of 10 times the move after the news is always bigger than the news itself. So I'm looking at this. It looks like NASDAQ setting itself up to go back, retest the previous day high, or it might just go boom down here. So it's either of the two. It's too early to call, too early to predict, too early to judge. All we do is we react. We don't predict. Okay? We don't jump. Don't jump. If you jump, you can go home. If you jump, you can have accident. If you jump, you can just you can have a wreck. So we wait to see what the market gives to us. You trade the charts, okay? Focus on the chart. You trade the chart. You trade the chart. You trade the chart. So the market is about to open in the next 8 minutes. Let's see what we can do. Usually within the first 15 minutes, it's always fireworks, up and down, up and down, up and down. But with what we have, with this setup that we have, we might be going back up. Remember what I said? So this is the regular candle. We've gone up, we come back. If we close above this upper channel, I will be going back up. I will be buying. But then remember here, okay, look at this. So this, I'm expecting this. This is our RSI to go back here, retest. And if we are coming, if you're going back down, to come here, then straight down. That's what I'm expecting. Or it can just go down. So that's another thing that it can do. But I think we're going to be buying. Also, daily chart is up. 4 hours is up. 1 hour is up. 15 minutes is up, 5 minutes is up, 2 minutes is up, 1 minute now is down. Why? Because of the retracement. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Forex Apostle coming to you live. If you want to trade with us like this, we do this once in a while. We don't do it every day. We used to do this every day on 30 Minutes Traders. Then I don't know what happened. Life, I guess life happened. But then we still have our community that we keep in touch. We do trainings. So if you want to join the community of fearless traders on Telegram, the link is at the description. If you want to join our mentorship, we've not even signed up any new student for a while. But if you would really like to be mentored, you can just chat with me. Let's chat, let's talk. If you are one of my students and you right now you are not trading, you maybe because you suffered loss, major loss. Remember, come on. In life, you win some, you lose some, you keep winning. I've been trading since 2006. That's 19 years. Many people have come and gone. Trading, I have put trading by the side of so many businesses, so many jobs. I've not seen any that can withstand trading. That's just the fact. That's just the fact. But the issue is that it's high risk. It's high risk, high reward. High risk, high reward. So, but then Warren Buffett call it calculated risk. So if you calculate your risk, imagine you are putting a trade, you risk $200, you go after $400. You risk $500, you go after 1,000. You risk $100, you go after $200. And if you are trading futures, which I love, by the way, these days, with futures, and if you are trading with let's say company like Apex, Tradify, and the rest. Tradify will give you, I think, about 3 or 5 accounts. TPT will give you about 3 accounts, and some of them, like the Apex, will even give you up to 20. You don't have to necessarily have 20 accounts. You can have 5, you can have 6, you can have 10. So your effort in one, you duplicate to the other. You use copier, okay? So with a copier, you have something like this, okay? This is the result of today. Even if we close this trade, if we close our position today, right now, as you can see, if we close today now, this is $700, $800. All I need right now is around $200 to hit my daily goal, and we're done for the day. You see, right there. Just look at it. Just look at it. See, times 20, let's say 800 times 20, that is how much. So it is, you just have to understand the concept, understand what you are doing. Don't chase the market. Let the market comes to you. Focus on the chart. Someone says, focus on the chart, and the chart will buy the Lambo. The chart will pay the bills. Okay. So that's exactly what we are doing. Okay. It's just understand the concept. Okay. Market structure. What is the market doing? Like I said, the market will do 3 things. It's either it goes up, it goes down, it ranges. Right now, the market ranges from all this time. The markets went up. The market is retracing. The market might close back and go back up. Okay. So, but then I need to be very careful. There are situations whereby I will make money like this before New York open bed, and boom, within the 15 minutes of open bed, you can just give back all the money. So you have to, all the profit. So you don't have to be in a hurry. You can just calm down. Just let the market does what it will do. So right now, we go up, we come back down. I'm looking at this, that this might actually be going back up. Okay, when you look at it right there, this might be going back up. 8:28, 2 minutes. I'm going to put a pending order. Okay, a pending order right there, buy right there. So if you go back up there, 10, boom. And if it's coming back down, then we say. Now, the reason why I put that pending right there is because it has come to retest here. I'm hoping it's going back up. Let's see if that way play out. And it can just, zoom, just come down here, either of the two. But I am more of it going back up than going down. With everything we got right now, daily chart is up, 4 hours is up, 1 hour is up, 15 minutes up, 5 minutes up, 2 minutes up, 1 minute. It's only the 1 minute that is red, that is down. So let's see. Let's see, guys. So this is the Forex Apostle streaming live. We traded the news. It was awesome. We've taken about 2-3 trades today to our green. So right now, you see right there, it's going back down. Let's see. Okay, give me that. Give me that. Boom. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, okay. Now, I put that buy stop there. It's fighting it. It's fighting it. Okay. It didn't get there. Let me move it up a little bit. Right. So that is my buy stop right there. Let's see if it will go back up. You see? So the market is open. Okay. New York market is open. Let's see what NASDAQ has for us. I'm going to change it back. I don't like trading on regular candle. Okay. I don't like trading on regular candle. I like Ekineshi. Ekineshi, as you can see now, is very clean. Ekineshi is very clean. I expect this to shoot back up. That's why I put that pending order there. So let's see what we got. Okay, it's still fighting it, guys. Okay, it's going back down. It's going back down. It's okay. It's okay. It might come to touch this 200 EMA once again, or it might come to test the eye of London here and go back up. It's too early to call. Let's wait. I put that trade here. If it goes back up, it might call it. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the Forex Apostle trading live. Like this video, share it, leave your comments. Okay. Adedotun Adebowale, what's your Telegram account, sir? It's right there in the description, I believe. Just check the description of this video. It should be there. Click on it. So you'll be able to join. Thank you. So the description, check the description, is right there. Check the description, is right there. Have you seen it? Adebowale. Have you seen it? It's right there. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I expect NASDAQ to go back up. That's why I didn't put any sell. So let's wait and see what we got. Show me what we got. Okay, we are in that trade. I need $100, 200. Let's see, 85, 130. Cut it. Boom. Awesome, awesome. Now it's going back up. Now, the reason why I call that, remember what I said, I only need just 10, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100, $100. That's 1,000. Okay. Now, if you are not in that buy, it's too late to join again. Just wait. Let the market come back to you. Okay. Let it come back to you. This is where we are. So you say, oh, Apostle, why you exit your trade so early? I mean, it's okay. So we are at 9:30, 8:65. Right. So now I gotta calm down to get my next $100 or $200. All you need is, you don't even need to trade 3 hours. You don't need to trade 4 hours like we do. Okay. Just just stagger it. You boom. See right there, it's going back up there. It's going back up. Now it's going back up. We exit that trade early. Yes, I agree. It's okay. It's okay. Remember, I'm trading live and I'm streaming. I'm trading live and I'm streaming. So it's not that easy to trade live and be streaming. Okay, you say you didn't get it there. Wale, let me look for it. To be honest with you, I have so many links. I don't even know it off at myself. So let me look for it. Telegram is at Forex Apostle. Yeah, it's right there. So just search for Forex Apostle. Still going back up. Okay. So this is that's the reply. I just reply you. You will see it right there. Okay. Guys, this look like it's still going back up. Now we have our buy. So Adebowale, that is it right there. You see, that's the Telegram. https://Forex Apostle. So that's the Telegram right there. So you can just click on that link and you're welcome to our community, ladies and gentlemen. Where it's been an awesome morning. It's not easy trading and training. Honestly speaking, it's a lot of work. I don't know how those guys that do it. So, but then it's been an awesome day. Our goal is to make 1,000. Right now, we are at 9:45. So I need another quick $100. Then we are done for today. Another $100. Know when to get out. Okay, know when to get in. Know when to get out. So I need another quick $100. That is all I need. So right now, should I go on this buy? No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait. This is previous day week. This is previous day high. Are we going back up there? Not really. I think the market is just setting itself up for today's direction. So we don't know what it's going to do. So let's wait. But I'm not going to jump. This candle still have 2 minutes to close. Anything can happen. A candle can start as green and close as red. So Ade.ton, did you get it now? You say you've not seen it. I've posted it. Did you get it? So let's see if we can get another quick $100, ladies and gentlemen. Then we will be done for today. Okay, 5, 10. If it's retracing, then I'm going to close it. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. Go up, 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 up. Come on now. Anything can happen, ladies and gentlemen. 35, 75, 70. Right. Oh no. Oh no, 925. 925. So, okay. So now this is where we are. This is 2 minutes. Do we see that? This look like it's still going up. I'm going to size down because you see this up here. I don't trust it that it's going to make it up. So if it doesn't, it's coming back down. NASDAQ has a funny way of behaving. It has a funny way of behaving. The goal is 1K today. Don't be too greedy. Know when to exit, know when to get out. It's like it's going back to test the previous day high. So it can test this previous day high, then start coming back down again. Remember what we discussed. So you don't want to be too aggressive. If you are not in that early buy, don't push it. Don't push it. So we have 20 minutes to go together on this session, guys. It's been an awesome trade. It's been an awesome day. It's not easy trading. I'm telling you, it's a lot of work. I give credit to those that do it every day. I used to do that, but man, there are a lot of responsibilities right now. Just look at what we got. So the market go up, come back down here. This is 2 minutes. Is it going to continue up? Let's see. Or is it going to bend from here? Let's see. So on 5 minutes, this is it. On 5 minutes, it looks like it's going to continue up. But then I don't trust that buy from that place. Since we didn't buy it from here, it's too late to join that buy from there. Remember FOMO, always know when to pause. Always know when to pause. Always know when to pause. I don't want to jump. I don't want to jump. Let me close this buy. I have this buy on Forex account. So close. Boom. All right. So it's been a good day. Yes. Okay. So it looks like it's still going up, but I don't trust this. For me to really buy now, I will be waiting for this market to do this. Breakout here. Retest this previous day high, then continue up. So that is what I will be expecting. Okay. This is what I will be expecting. But for me to join that buy now is too. I will expect NASDAQ to retrace because this could be a manipulation candle. If you go to 15 minutes, you will see it very clearly there. Let's see 15 minutes. 15 minutes is still showing indecision on Ekineshi. So, ladies and gentlemen, is it going to make it up there? I cannot say. Let's see. NASDAQ has done this 15 minutes move during the news. Ladies and gentlemen, it pulled back. Now it's getting ready to go back up. Let's see. Okay, it's going back up. It's going back up. I needed to break out from that. Let it take out that high. Come and retest it. Previous day high. Retest it. Now we are back here. You see? So if you don't understand your market structure, you will be falling victim, okay, of the market. Ladies and gentlemen, that is why you need to just, know when to get in, know when to get out, know what the market players, what they are doing, the institution traders, what they are doing. Sometimes they just try to play us. Okay, they just try to play us. And we, the retail traders, we need to understand you don't have billions of dollars to trade with. So the small amounts, the small dollars you have, $100, $200, $500, $1,000, you want to be smart. So that is why you got to be smart. You have to be a smart trader. So look at it here. So it didn't make it to this up, ladies and gentlemen. So what do we expect? We're expecting this to come down. I'm looking at divergence right here. Look at that. You see, if you are in that buy now, by now, I'm very sure many people have already fallen victim of that manipulation. You see, this is down, this is up. So know when to call it quits. You see right there. Let's see if we can now participate in this fireworks. Fireworks, if it comes down here, I'm selling here. Let's see. You see, it goes up, it comes back, it engulfs. This is an engulf, it engulfs this. So, ladies and gentlemen, this looks to me the NASDAQ is going back down. What do you think? Okay. This looks like NASDAQ is, you see, that's why I'm very, 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 very sure many people were caught in this. I'm very, very, very sure. So, especially the first 15 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, you got to be very, 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 very careful. Very, 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 very careful. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are planning to sign off for today. We started this streaming and we are almost hitting our daily goal because know when to exit. If you don't know when to get out of the market, you can give it back. So this is what we've made today. Our daily goal, we've already reached it. As you can see, the P&N right there is because of all the commissions. So, but we've gotten to our daily goal today, as you can see. So, ladies and gentlemen, any moment from now, we will be closing the shop. Know when to close the shop. If you don't know when to get up from that computer, you're going to give back all the profit. So don't be surprised. NASDAQ can just continue doing all this up and down, up and down, up and down for the rest of today. So we don't want to get into that. So it's 8:47, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, nothing is happening too much again. There's no point of just sitting down, and if care is not taken, you just discover you will give it back. So don't fall victim. 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 It still look like it's going back down. If you can take out this low here, it's coming down. Glory, glory, glory of Allah is coming down. He's coming down. I can feel it. He's coming down. Now look at this. It still look like we go catch small one. I am really, 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 really tempted. I'm tempted. I'm tempted. I'm tempted. I'm tempted. Let's see. Should we? Yeah. I know it's going down. Let's see. Don't oh no, don't go back up. You see what I said? If care's not taken, you will give it back. No, NASDAQ. No, NASDAQ. I'm gonna close it. No, NASDAQ. Give me my green. I'm done. I'm done for today. I'm done. I am done. Ladies and gentlemen, the goal has been reached. Yeah, we're done for today. I don't trade this account again today, no matter what is happening. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say thank you so much. I hope it makes sense to you. We don't have to keep trading the moment you get to your goal. Okay, the goal is $1,000 a day. If I lose 1,000, I close the shop. If I make 1,000, I close the shop. Because if care is not taken, one can give back what he has made. It still looks like it's going to be selling. It looks like it sells, but who really knows? Yes, it looks like it sells. NASDAQ, remember what I said, it has gotten up. It didn't make it back up. It might be going back down, but then I don't want to give back what I have made. So I'm just going to let the sleeping dog to lie. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. We'll let you know when next we'll be doing this. I really love it. I miss it. I miss you guys, and I hope you got something today. Thank you so much. Love you guys. See you at the top.